Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Bank of Jamaica is anticipating a full recovery in economic activity after Hurricane Melissa within 2 to 3 years. BOJ Governor Richard Biles says this is faster than the previous estimate of 3 to 4 years. And I quote, "This improved recovery outlook anticipates a faster rebound in agricultural activity and factors in a faster than initially anticipated recovery in electricity and telecommunication services," he said. Biles was addressing the bank's quarterly monetary policy report press conference at the BOJ Auditorium in downtown Kingston on Tuesday, February 24. He noted that for fiscal year 2025-26, the bank is expecting a decline in real gross domestic product in the range of 1 to 3%. I quote, "This is a smaller contraction than our previous estimate. As the economy recovers, real GDP growth for financial year 2026-27 is projected in the range of 1 to 3%, end quote. Meanwhile, Biles said Jamaica's current account balance is expected to deteriorate in the medium term. He explained that this is primarily due to the hurricane's adverse impact on the tourism industry, coupled with increased imports required for infrastructure rebuilding and relief supplies. Notwithstanding the deterioration in the balance of payment current account, the central bank governor noted that Jamaica's international reserves remain robust, reaching a historic high of US $6.8 billion as of February 19, 2026. This represents approximately 155.8% of the benchmark considered adequate. Central Bank Governor Richard Biles says the Bank of Jamaica does not expect the government's new $18 billion tax package to significantly push inflation above its target. Mr. Biles explained on Tuesday that the bank's inflation forecast does not yet include the impact of new taxes, but he believes their overall effect on prices will be limited. He noted that inflation could turn out lower than projected if higher prices reduce consumer spending. At the same time, he warned that inflation could rise if bad weather affects agriculture. The new taxes on sugary drinks, alcohol, cigarettes, and the environmental levy are expected to raise the price of several food and beverage items. For the trading period of February 24, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,683,730 units, or 13.5% of market sales activities. Dollar Financial Services Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 3,334,960 units, representing 9.61% of market sales activities. Phosphorus Company Limited shares with 2,885,472 units, representing 8.31% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, financial, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for February 24, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.04 and buying at $155. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 39-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.71 and was bought for $114.32. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities, $5.53 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.80 and was bought for $209.27. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for business managing input costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, when you sit down with a banker to discuss financing a fleet of vehicles, your credit report should be part of the conversation, not just something they pull behind the scenes. Before the meeting, review your credit report and be ready to walk through it confidently. Point out your track record of on-time payments, how you've managed existing loans, and the stability of your credit over time. Then connect that directly to your business plan. Explain how the vehicles will generate revenue, how the projected income covers the loan payments, and how your past credit behavior demonstrates that you manage debt responsibly. When meeting with financial institutions, bankers are looking for that alignment. Your credit history showing discipline and your fleet plan showing clear, reliable cash flow. When both pieces support each other, the discussion shifts from simply asking for a loan to presenting a well-structured business opportunity. In our funded and focused feature, when seeking funding as a one-person business, the advent of artificial technology has changed the game. Solopreneurs can use AI to create digital products such as courses, toolkits, guides, or templates that can be sold repeatedly. AI accelerates research, content creation, and design, allowing products to be built faster and updated more frequently. Platforms like Canva enable AI-assisted design for presentations, workbooks, and visual frameworks, while tools like Notion support the development of structured knowledge systems and digital resources that can evolve into paid products or subscription libraries. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.